While JavaScript may not have built-in enums, we can get pretty close with objects. If you look here, we've got two objects set up pretty similarly to how you would expect to see enums. However, there's one catch. If we compare them, we'll get something you probably don't expect. Seasons.autumn equals directions dot north. That results as true, and that's not what we want. But here, let me show you how to avoid type collision. By wrapping our values in symbol, we create a unique value that is guaranteed not to collide with others. Now, as you see, we're returning false, as expected. One final step, and we'll have perfected JavaScript enums. By wrapping our objects in Object.freeze, we've made them immutable. You see here, I try to reassign seasons.autumn to fall. Now, when we console log it, let's see what happens. We get symbol 0 back. It's unchanged, exactly as we want. And there you have it. Enums in JavaScript, as easy as that.